Here's how I got this viral shot that got me over 1 million views. Alright, so this is called Star Trails, and all you really need is a sturdy tripod, and you'll need a camera with interval shooting, or if you have a Sony, you can use a discontinued app called Star Trails, which you can get by following this Reddit thread. Additionally, you want to do this at about midnight so it's as dark as possible, and you want to go to a place with low light pollution. You can go to cleardarksky.com to find areas with low light pollution, but even if you're not, it's okay. I still did it near the city, and I was still able to get good results. Alright, for your camera lens, it's preferable that you use a wide angle lens. So here I'm using a 16mm, and I'm going to be using f4 to make sure that everything's in focus. I'm also going to be using manual focus and setting it to almost infinity. Alright, for your actual settings on your camera, I'm going to be setting the number of shots to the max, which is about 1,000, and this is because you can stop it whenever you want, and then I usually aim for like an hour to an hour and a half, but it also really depends on your settings. For your ISO, you try to keep it as low as possible, but it's also going to really depend on where you are. And then your shutter speed, I was going at about 2 to 3 seconds because that's what worked best for my ISO. And the number one important thing before you actually start taking your photos is that you do a test shot to make sure everything's in focus and that it's properly exposed as well. And then after that, all you have to do is just take your photos, wait however long it takes, and then you can take it into post-processing. If you're doing this on a Sony, on the Star Trails app, it'll actually process it already for you, and you'll be able to get it straight off the camera as a video. But if you're not, you're gonna have to put in another application called StarStax, which I will show right now. Additionally, to make it look even better, I also did a lot of color grading on DaVinci Resolve. So I did like halation, I did like some other like color grading stuff just to make like the stars look better and make it more appealing for the video.